Hi, I am Barry Bender, and I would like to thank you for visiting bendersigns.com. I want to take the time to showcase Bender Signs' operation and tell you why I am confident you will find that our team is ready and able to bring your sign to life. The best way I know to do this is to show you one of the projects that we recently completed. Neuse Sports Shop has been an apparel customer for many years and trusted us to create their identity for the new location in Cedar Point, North Carolina. As a team, we are able to take your ideas and guide you from start to finish. That means our artists will dream and design up the best sign for your budget. Along with this design, our manufacturing team brings it to life by fabricating from all types of materials. Having our artists design within the same facility our manufacturing team builds allows us to be able to make sure we quickly address any issues that may arise. We also handle all permitting and engineering, so there is minimal stress to you and your organization. Our sign division is equipped to fabricate all types of custom signs. What really sets us apart is the vision of our artists and our sales team. When you bring us an idea, we take it and mold it into something that sets you apart from the competition. As you know, a sign is one of the most important parts of a business. A customer's first impression comes from your company's sign, and my team is committed to making that first impression count. Bender Signs is a UL listed company. We are licensed to fabricate and wire your signs to industry standards. This is all done in-house so that we can guarantee that you are getting the highest quality sign that money can buy. The next step is also very important: installation. We employ installers with years of experience, even beyond the age of our company. This experience, along with the best in equipment, guarantees that your sign will be installed with no problems. I am very excited to work with you and your business on your next custom sign. From banners, vehicle graphics, and even monument signs, we will provide you with the highest level of service and materials. Thank you again for considering Bender Signs, and we look forward to working with you soon.